Hello, my name is Jimmy and this is the 2021 Ford Explorer. And today we're going to see if it can family. I have the Clek Liing as well as the Clek Foonf just to see exactly how well it fits in this vehicle. So let's take a look. As you can see, I have the Foonf here installed on the passenger side, and I got the base for the Liing installed on the driver's side. Getting them in here was not difficult at all, as the doors do open nice and wide. Within this 6-passenger version of the Ford Explorer, there's 4 sets of lower anchors, 2 for the second row and 2 for the third row. There's also 4 sets of upper anchors at the same places. I wasn't able to install the Foonf or the Flow in the third row. There just wasn't enough space, but I could squeeze the Liing in the third row itself. But let me put the Liing inside this vehicle just to show you exactly how much room there is overall. Putting the Liing into the vehicle is nice and easy. There's plenty of room on the top and the bottom for the Liing to slide right in. The doors, they open nice and wide, just allowing you easier access to the cabin. Let's take a look at the trunk to see what else there is back there. Within the trunk of the Explorer, well, it's actually plenty of space back here. Even with the third row up, I'm still able to put in this compact baby Zen yo-yo in here with no problems. With it folded down, well, there's absolutely plenty of space. And there's even a little bit more underneath the floor itself. And that's exactly how the Clek Liing as well as the Clek Foonf fits inside this 2021 Ford Explorer. Any questions? Leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to get back to them. Thanks and have a great day.